Get ready to immerse yourself in a celebration of history, culture, and unity. Africa Memorial Day 2024 is just around the corner, and this year we're taking you on a journey through time and heritage. Join us at Terra Culture, nestled in the heart of Victoria Island, Lagos, as we honor our rich past and embrace our diverse identities. Africa Memorial Day proudly presents the theme Historical Consciousness and National Unity. Feel the heartbeats of the continent as we showcase the beauty of our traditions, the brilliance of our art, the strength of our unity. This event will be a symphony of voices, a dance of colors, and a gallery of shared stories. Be captivated by the wisdom of distinguished speakers, be moved by the rhythm of traditional music and dance, and witness the harmonious blend of modern and ancient as we explore the essence of unity that binds us all.